Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are diving into an unboxing of the Lavish bath box, and this is for the month of November. So if you're interested to see the theme and the items that they collected to make this box for this month, stay tuned and let's open up the box. Lavish Bath Box is a monthly subscription that is a mixture of everything from bath bombs, bubble bars, we sometimes get candles, body mist, and just a variety of bath items to just give you that extra relaxation throughout your month. And it's been such a great box. It is quickly becoming one of my top favorite subscription boxes that I have. I will leave all the information about the price, where to get it if you're interested, and also my referral code down in the description box if you're interested. So check that information out. But for this month, we have November's box, so I'm really curious to see what is inside and also the theme. So let's go ahead and give this an open. Ooh, and so for this month, which I don't know why, but I am always obsessed with the paper that subscription boxes put in their boxes, because I'm like, well, if it's good paper, I can save it for my giveaways. So this month we have brown tannish paper. So yeah, I don't know why I always announce what color paper they have, but I like it. Okay, so the theme for November we have is November 2019 Woodland Lodge. That is interesting, and the card smells so good. So I'm really interested to see what type of items that they collected for this month. And at the back of the card, you always get the information as far as the product, what's in the product, and also the company that made it. So I will of course leave all that information in the video as we move along. So let's grab our first item. And the first thing that I am seeing in the box is this cute plaid bath bomb. Like, you guys, this is such a cute design. I love plaid. Let me know down below if you guys love plaid, but any color plaid shirt I must have. I absolutely love it. Love it. So this is called the Sweater Weather Bath Bomb. Cute name. Cute name. And it says that this beautifully detailed buffalo plaid bath bomb is scented in a cozy blend of vanilla, caramel, fig, sugar, and amber. The smell is really nice. I'm definitely getting the vanilla, and it just smells really earthy. Now this would be like my first like earthy tone bath bomb. I really gravitate towards more fruitier scented bath items, but I'm interested to try out this box because maybe I would like more woodsy scents. Who knows? But I'm loving this design. So I'm also wondering if it's going to diffuse into like this reddish color or if there's something else inside. So if you want to see what this looks like, just let me know and I can do like an Instagram video of this diffusing in my bathtub. But yeah, this looks so cool. Absolutely love plaid. Did I already say that? Because I do. I love plaid. And the next item out of the box, we have the Woodpile soy candle. So this is now the second candle that I've received in a Lavish bath box, and this is 4 ounces. So that's interesting. That's interesting. And it's cute. It's a tiny little candle. Wow. Oh, that smell. That is intense. What are you? What are you made of? That smell is so strong. Okay, so this says scented with top notes of leather, tobacco, amber, and musk with spicy black tea and pepper on a base of teakwood, patchouli, and sandalwood. Maybe I'm smelling the spicy black tea, maybe leather. I don't know, but this is so intense. Now, I am really sensitive to scents because I have migraines really bad. Like, my migraines can go off with like any scent. Like, it is horrible. But I have a very good feeling that this is going to cause a migraine if I do burn it. I mean, the candle size is cute. I love that it is it's stored well, it's portable, it's lightweight, it's a good candle, and the smell is a good smell. It's just an intense smell, and I know I can't burn this. But Travis's sister is in town and she loves anything leather, so I'm going to have her smell this, and if she likes it then I will gift it to her. But as far as a candle, it is nice. If you love woodsy scents, this is up your alley. 100%. But yeah, candle just too strong for my migraines. sadly. Okay, and next out of the box, we have Toasted Marshmallow and Apple Cider Shower Mochi or Mochis. Okay, that's interesting. I have never tried mochis or mochis before, so let's see what it is. So let's see, it says a shower mochi or mochi is a single-use cleansing exfoliator made with sugar and finely ground rice. Similar to a solid scrub, they can be used directly on the skin. This 2-pack is scented in apple cider and toasted marshmallow. Now, a fun fact about me is I do not like marshmallow. I cannot stand the taste, the texture. It's just... it's pretty close to pickles, and you guys have seen how I feel about pickles, so marshmallows would be the hard second. But yeah, I don't know about pickles. I don't know about marshmallows. Maybe I'm like the only person in the world that hates them, but I can't. So I've never tried a mochi or a mochi before, but it did say that it was similar to like a body scrub, and I have tried a plethora of different type of sugar scrubs and salt scrubs. But this is what they look like, and oh yeah, this one is definitely the apple cider because I'm smelling cinnamon, I'm smelling apple crisp, like this one smells divine. And then the second one, let's see if I can get it out here. Okay, so this one smells like, I guess this one is the toasted marshmallow. And it doesn't smell like marshmallow to me. It's kind of like a very fruity, it's like a very fruity candy, if that makes sense, but it's not giving me marshmallow vibes, so that's nice. I think out of the two, I would prefer the apple cider one over this one, but I'm definitely going to give both of them a try. And yeah, that's really cool. I've never tried a mochi or a mochi before, so this would be my first time, and I do appreciate that they included as far as like directions and what it was. So thank you for that information because that is handy. And yeah, cool. So I got two, which is nice, so I can try one of each, I was gonna say flavor or one of each scent. And next out of the box, we have the Night by Fire. This is a vegan bath truffle. Okay, so it looks like this, and honestly, it looks like an ice cream scoop. Like, do you guys think that this looks like an ice cream scoop, or is it like just me? I don't know, but I'm assuming the black is maybe like coal, and then the top part is like the fire embers or something. I don't know. I feel like it looks like an ice cream scoop. Either way, it's cute, and I've never tried a bath truffle before, so let's see what it says. Loaded with skin softening butters and oils, these bath truffles give you the ultimate spa experience, leaving your skin deliciously scented in rich campfire and warm toasted marshmallow. Again with the marshmallow. Oh, that's great. Okay, so yeah, I really like the design. It's super cute. I love the colors, and I'm wondering how this is going to diffuse in the water. So let's see. This also came with directions on the back, which is very nice because if it's something different than a bath bomb, then it's nice that they have included that information. So this says to rinse off after bathing, otherwise intense colors may stain washcloths, towels, and other items. Some truffles may temporarily stain your hands if you're holding them while they're dissolving. So this sounds like it's just like a bath bomb, so you're just going to plop this into your water and it'll diffuse, but just be careful that if it stays on your skin and then you put something on like clothing, it could potentially stain. So I will definitely heed that warning and try this. But yeah, I like the design. I'm trying not to say ice cream scoop. It's supposed to be like a campfire, but it's cute. It's cute. Whew, this definitely has that woodsy smell. Now, it could be the intense candle that's still stuck in my nose, but this definitely smells woodsy. It smells earthy. It has a very strong base scent. But yeah, again, I'm very much into floral scents, and we'll have to give this a try and see if I like it. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. If you guys like earthy tones or earthy bath items. Let me know what you kind of gravitate towards as far as an item down in the comments, and hopefully this will be one of the items that changes my mind, and maybe I will love earthy tones after this. Next item out of the box we have is, oh, this is so cute. This is the Bubble Bath Bar, and it's an acorn harvest shape. Look at that. That is so cute, and it definitely looks like an acorn. That is adorable. I love it. Okay, so this says, crumble this shimmer acorn under the running water for a forest filled of fluffy bubbles scented in black currant and forest woods with amber, balsamic ambergris, black pepper, grenamum, clementine, and patchouli. Literally, you guys, I can't, like the ingredients you guys have in some of these items, I'm like, I can't pronounce it, but I hope I'm close. But yeah, that, I don't, okay. But I love the shape. I love the design of this. I think that the sparkling top is so cute, or the shimmer top is really cute. And as a bubble bath bar, they are correct. You just want to break off a little piece and hold it under your running water, and you'll have bubbles. And what I also love about this box is that this is a great like treat yourself type of box. You can relax, just take back and breathe, but also it's a great box to involve like kids and just have like a fun bath time. I absolutely love the shape of this. I love the design. It is definitely like an acorn. So cool. Love it. So cool. Honestly, I can't even like with the scents anymore. I'm not sure what is what because I'm like, it smells, they all starting to smell the same, you know, like, yeah. I want to say this smells good, but I can't tell because I'm like clogged up with just woodsy scents. So we'll save this till I try it and see what the scent is like, but I do love the concept behind it. So the next item I'm pulling out of the bag, this is, or the box, this is Soft Flannel Hair Perfume and Smoothing Spray. Now this is a first for me. I've never tried hair perfume or smoothing spray, but yeah, this looks very interesting. And the directions, or what it says, great for refreshing hair between washes. It's lightweight, alcohol-free formula, scented in clean cotton, smoked amber, sandalwood, and this doubles as an all-over body moisturizing spray. I do wear wigs, and my natural hair is growing out just a tad, but I have like a separate like hair products that I use for my hair just because it's a little testy. So for this, I would not put this in my hair, but it did say it doubles as a body spray. So I would love to give that a try because I love body sprays. Now, again, I usually go for more fruity sprays, so maybe this will change my mind. So let's give it a spray. Ooh. What? Oh, that smells good. Oh, my room smells good. Oh, that smells so good. This isn't strong at all. It's like a very soft, warming, calming scent. Like just smelling it, I feel really just at ease. That smells so good. You know when you spray something and like your mind just kind of calms down? Like you can feel yourself calming down, not even exaggerating. This smells just like that. Like I sprayed it and literally my mind was like, oh, like it just calmed me down. I love it. And it doesn't smell too strong either. So this would be really good for my migraines. Like it's not gonna give me a headache is what I mean. I really love this smell. This is really good. It's a really good smell. I could see myself wearing this daily. Yeah, I'm about to go on a really big trip, which I will make an announcement video about that soon. And I'm definitely taking this with me because this smells like it would be a perfect everyday summer, winter, spring type of scent. Love it. And, oh my, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so the last thing that's in the box, this is the Fox Bath Bomb. Like, oh, look at the cute design. I don't know why I'm whispering, but it's so cute. I feel like I'm whispering because like I don't want to wake it up, but I'm like, it's But this is so cute. Okay, so this is the Sleeping Fox Bath Bomb. This sweet Sleeping Fox shaped bath bomb is hand painted and filled with beautiful teal embeds, scented in juicy spiced pear. Oh, yep. I can definitely tell that this is a different scent. So I like that they added something more on the fruitier side in the box. It kind of offsets all of like the woody scents. But this is definitely pear. Like hands down, you know it's pear. Oh, that smells divine. And this is a bath bomb, so you can just plop it into your bath and it'll diffuse, and it says that it has teal in here, so that'll be a pretty color for the bath water, and I just love the design. This is so beautiful. It is so like just a soft, calming, like just design. I love it. Oh my gosh, like the creativity that Lavish Bath Box finds in smaller companies is amazing, and I just love the artistry that all these companies provide for this box. It is just so fun. So that completes my unboxing of the November 2019 Lavish Bath Box, and again, the theme was Woodland or Woodland, and this was exciting. I have a lot of woodsy scents to try. Maybe this box will change my mind as far as maybe I like a little bit of woodsy in my life. So let me know if there was an item in this box that caught your curiosity, and what did you think about the November box. I will of course in this video leave my playlist as far as my other Lavish Bath Box unboxings if you want to see what I've gotten in previous months. But I really truly am saying this, like I love Lavish Bath Box. I love the creativity, I love the different designs, bubble bars, the bath scents, like they are just amazing. So I definitely will not be canceling this box anytime soon. It is wonderful. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and spending a moment with me. And if you're returning, thank you for all the love and support. I do appreciate every single one of you, and I really hope you enjoy this. Please leave this a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and you'll be notified when I post new content. So that is all I have for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.